Hello friends, welcome to our channel Continuous Learning. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to be updated of all upcoming videos. Today's lesson is set. Today we will learn the concept of set and its methods or types. So, to understand the concept of set, we must say that it is a collection of a well-defined objects. For example, we say a set of vowels. We know that A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Similarly, when we say a collection of history professors in a college is a set of history professors. So, a collection of prime number till 10 is also a set of well-defined number. The notation epsilon is used to signify any element that belongs to the particular set. For example, X is a member or element of set B. We write it as X epsilon B and will read it as X belongs to B. The notation does not belong to is used to signify any element that does not belong to that particular set. For example, X is not a member or element of set B. We will write it X does not belong to set B. Now, the presentation of set. Set are represented by three methods. One is descriptive, another is roster or tabular method, and the last one is rule or set builder method. In descriptive method, we describe the element of set and keep the description enclosed in curly brackets. For example, the set of 12 months in a year is written as 12 months in a year, and the whole statement is enclosed by curly brackets. According to the statements, we know that from January to December, all the 12 months belong to this group or this set. That's why April belongs to 12 months in a year of this set, but Sunday does not belong to 12 months in a year. Rather, Sunday belongs to the 7 days in a week. Now, roster or tabular method. In this method, all the members of the set are listed and separated by commas, keeping the list enclosed in curly brackets. For example, X is a set of prime number till 10. 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers till 10. So, in tabular form, we will write it as X is equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7 and inscribe the whole numbers by the curly bracket. To note that 2 and 3 belongs to set X, as these are the prime number till 10, but 4 is not a prime number, so it does not belong to set X. In rule or set builder method, a variable like X, Y is represented as any member of the set which follows a property satisfying by each member of that set, and it is enclosed in a curly brackets. Now we will explain the definition of rule or set builder method by an example. Y is the set consisting of element X having the property X. So, in rule method or set builder method, we will write it as Y is equals to X as X such that X has the property S, or X such that has the property S. we can write the is2 symbol or this bar and read it as such that. Both the symbols are used in rule or set builder method. Here, y is the variable having the element x and all the elements of x having the property of s. They satisfy all the properties of x. X may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 may be the all positive integers, and s has the quality of positive integers. So we can write it in this way. The variable y is a set of x such that x has the property s.
Now, the representation of a set in three different methods. A set of whole number less than 10. Let the set be A. Therefore, in description method, we will write it A is equal to whole number less than 10 and inscribe the whole statement by curly brackets. Similarly, in roster or tabular method, we will write it A is a set belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is less than 10. These are the elements of the set A which is less than 10, and we will write each element by separating them commas. Now the last one is rule or set builder method. We will write in this method the set A is equal to x such that x belongs to whole number and which is less than 10 also. Here W is the representative of whole numbers, and these are the three different processes by which we represent a particular set. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, give your feedback in the comment section and share if you like our videos. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.